Every move you make, every word you speak, every dollar you spend, every click on your phone, it's being tracked, watched, cataloged, measured, and the world tells you this is all for your safety, for your convenience, for your protection. But I'm here to warn you, what they're building is not protection, it's preparation. It's laying the groundwork for the mark of the beast. Revelation 13 warns us of a system where no man can buy or sell unless he has the mark. For generations, people wondered how that could ever happen. How could anyone control every purchase, every transaction, every movement? But here we are in 2025, watching digital currency rise, surveillance cameras on every corner, AI facial recognition in every airport, algorithms predicting your behavior before you even think about it. The infrastructure for total control is already here. They've sold it to us as convenience. Cashless payments, smart devices, digital IDs, biometric scans, safer ways to shop, to travel, to live. But ask yourself, who controls that data? Who holds the power when the switch can be flipped and your access to money, to travel, even to food, can be denied with a keystroke? This is how Satan works, slowly, incrementally, one compromise at a time. And before you know it, people are not just participating in the surveillance state, they are embracing it. They are welcoming the chains that will one day lead to the mark.